Hey guys, how are you? This is Masum Billah. Now I back to the lesson in learning English known as second. Today I will discuss about relative meanings of oh sound good. Oh wow, sound good. In our previous lecture, I was discussing about oh sound good. Oh sound good. We use when we or our good work or good position or any good working or our good time or any good time or good news, then we use the expression of oh sound good. Today I will discuss about today oh wow sound good and its relative meanings. Let's get started. Wow, sound amazing. Wow, sound outstanding. Oh, sound interesting. Oh, sound exciting. That's etc etc. Oh wow, sound good. It's synonym. It's all used when our good work or good position or good acting or good teaching or good performance of any good position in our by me by I or you your he she it etc etc. So we use this expression when our bad trying or bad work, then then our expression is sound bad, sound unexciting, etc. We use the expression that's on good then. That's on good then. Its meaning that it's not good for you. It's not good for you. We use the expression or phrase when suppose your exam is going on, but come on, or tomorrow your exam, but your friends or any colleague said to you, please come with me in the field, or please come with me in the cinema hall, or please come with me in the uh, field or playing field. But your exam will held in tomorrow. Then when you say that your exam today, oh, that's no good then. That's no good then. No needs. Okay, fine. You and me. I don't know you any place in the field or cricket field or cinema hall or any place. Hello guys. Please comment in my inbox. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.